Hi guys, this is just an update to say that I am officially launching Patreon. It's been up for a little bit, but I wanted to make an official video so that you guys would know. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's a platform where you guys can pledge a little money every month to me, which means that I can spend more time doing work for you guys instead of freelance. So as most of you guys know now, I went freelance about 2 weeks ago, which means that my only income is freelance work that I do for clients all over the world. But I would much rather do stuff for you guys and just entertain you and make videos and show you behind the scenes of books that I make and everything that I learn. And that's where I need your support to be able to do that full time. If you don't know who I am, my name is Dina. I'm an illustrator and visual development artist from Norway, but I'm currently living in the UK. I love creating stories, I love whimsical illustrations, I just really want to make storybooks and create stuff. And I hope that you guys will be in for a little journey with me if you join Patreon. Of course, I will continue updating on YouTube, that will not go away. I just need a little bit more support to be able to do even more for you guys and even more personal projects, which will be amazing. You can get lots of different rewards depending on which tier you choose. Now you can even get early access for tomorrow's video, which is already up for Patreons, and also for the second tier Patreons you can also see all the sketches for Grey Legs, the book that I'm currently working on. Of course, we have other things that you can get, which is a postcard in the mail, private live streams, your name in the end of the videos on Fridays, and just other cool stuff. I hope you guys really want to go check it out and support me, and I will see you guys tomorrow or today, depending on if you're a patron or not. And then I will also do a stream on Sunday, and I hope you guys will be there. I don't know what we'll do yet, but we'll figure that out. Anyway, I hope that you will come and support me, and we'll have loads of fun. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye!